Hi and welcome to Pragmatic Tracker. Remember to bookmark the URL for the site. Log in, and this brings us to the client list where we can add the information for a new client. Create a pseudonym for the client with non-identifiable information. Populate with the email address. This will be encrypted after the first entry, but we can overwrite it. And then we go on to capture other contextual information for the client. Demographics, medication, ethnicity, etc. We can capture the name of the medication, or if we don't know it at the time, we can just simply put a question mark. Then scroll on down to choose the particular measures we're going to use with that client, remembering to choose a primary measure. Create, and then we're ready to add the first session for the client, which is always an assessment session. We can overwrite the date if we choose to do so. And here we can send the email invitation to the client or open the measure directly with them in the room. Alternatively, we can transfer all of the item information from a paper measure, or we can use the total score and enter it in the box there. Further down the page are the feedback measures, which we can add later on at the end of the session. So we go back in, scroll on down, and now we have the similar choices: email link, opening the feedback questionnaire directly with the client, like here, or we can use the drop-down box and populate the particular item answers, or use a total score. And then we simply click Save. That particular session has now been captured and the salient information relating to it is here. If we go to charts, the scores are represented on the charts. We can look at them on an individual basis as well. The y-axis then changes to that particular measure's correct scores. The dot represents the score, and that's the cutoff. If we hover over the dot, we get the actual score and the date it was recorded. And then if we go to the summary, we can capture all of the relevant information there is presented to us. Back to session list and log out. When we log in then the next time, we'll find that client there on our client list. And we're ready to open up that client again and add the next session.